Okay, I have to tell you, this is not the most fun thing I have ever done in my life. I'm doing mortgage reviews. I won't get them all done today, of course, but I'm just steadily going through all of my houses. Once a quarter, I do a mortgage review. And, oh, that's my printer. This is very much in the kind of consolidation period. I got some money in the bank. It's like, what do I pay off and stuff. Um, this is I think it was like my third house I ever bought. Oh, 8th of May 2009. I bought it from an auction. It was a mid-terrace, pavement edge, 2-bedroom house. So just a little dinkster. It was worth, they said, 85,000 quid, because that was exactly the price I bid at auction. And 9 years later, because that is only 9 years later, it's now worth 240. So what I've done, I bought it for 85,000. It was actually worth 6 months later 130 because I bought it discounted. If you've never done discounted, you'd be like, what? How does that happen? Well, what it is the house was a bit knackered. I bought it at auction. I spent 7,800 on it, and then 6 months later revalued it at 130 and pulled all my money back out. And then what I've done is that I've used that house really kind of as a bit of a bank in the early days. So I refinanced it about a year ago and they valued up at 240, and I'll have gotten 75% of that. And what I did was use it as a bank to take the money out to go buy more houses. Do you see what I mean? So that's why you do it. So you buy something discounted. Within 6 months, you take all your money back out, and then 9 years later, it's moved from you purchase price of 85,000, when to be fair, it was actually worth 130 once I'd spent 8 grand renovating it. And it's almost doubled. So not quite, because it was worth 130 8 years ago. 9 years ago, and now it's worth 240. So then I've gone back in and said, can I have more money back out, please? Because I'm going to use that money to buy more houses. So it's like a kangaroo hop. Go forward, go forward, go forward, using your back end early houses as banks to go forward. But please wish me luck. It's Sunday morning. I do have Aretha Franklin on full volume. I have to fess up, this is not the most fun job ever in the world, but it does settle your tummy just to make sure you've got everything organised. So I suppose it's peace of mind, just not super exciting. But, you've got to do it. And if you're a deal maker watching this, and you know you're a deal maker, knuckle under, get yourself a cup of tea and just do this stuff. Get your spreadsheets nailed. Because the biggest cost and the reason to do this is not because I am a geek, and I'm a geek. But the biggest reason to do this is that I spend a huge amount of money. I mean, tens and tens and tens of thousands of pounds every month on mortgages. So if I can reduce that because I'm reviewing it and then I get better deals, or pay the houses down, whatever the strategy is, and there's multiple strategies here. How sensible is that? No point paying bank tens and tens of thousands of pounds every month, is there? So really, there is a sensible financial reason to do it. But I drove past the gym this morning and I saw my really good friends drive in, and I was a bit like, I want to play. And then Sonny just texted me and went, mate, get on with it. Like, go and have fun. Don't do mortgages. And I was like, oh, I want to do what you're doing, but it's all part of the job, innit? Right, have a good day and graft in the early days. See you soon. Oh, by the way, we have playlists for you on this website. So if there's a particular subject like deal sourcing or renovations, managing builders, managing tenants, have a look at the playlist. And also subscribe, because we publish videos every day for you guys, every working day, unless I'm on holiday. All right, so press the subscribe button and then that'll just really boost your knowledge, I hope. Take care and good luck in property. Bye.